Oh, this is my jam!
Oh, now he just got it.
I am ready to activate the sound barrier!
Kill her this time. Oh, she's gonna get her mech back.
My ultimate is ready!
We're all ready.
Raising the volume!
Thanks.
Understood.
Who's it? Yeah. You should probably nano boost me and I'll take both the Thera and the Yeah, I got my ult. Okay, so now would be a great time. I'm using it.
Oh, this is my jam!
Yeah. Oh man, I just wiped them out. I bet that was probably. Thank you for that nano boost. That was perfect.
Play of the match.
Oh, yeah.
I think that was it right there. that was the nano boost. That was me. You don't even have to fucking aim when you have your thing going. Well, I had to stop shooting there, so that was skill. And then
Oh, I didn't even get a card. Alright. That was fun, guys. Let's play again soon. Send me a friend request.
Yeah, I'm gonna send you a friend request if that's cool.
Yeah. Alright. Have a good night. Later.
Yeah, good night. Shit, I got 59 eliminations. That's a shitload. I got gold in eliminations and objective kills.